Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this very cute flower. I use 4.5 millimeters hook and 4.5 millimeters cotton yarn. You can use any hook and any yarn for make this flower. Make a magic circle like this. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, turn the yarn, hold yarn like this and chaining. Chain 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, stitch first round in this magic circle. Yarn over, insert your hook into this ring, pull up yarn. Now we have 1, 2, 3 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make 1 double crochet. Yarn over, go to magic circle, pull up yarn, yarn over. We have 3 yarns on hook. I show 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. Yarn over and repeat. Make double crochet stitches. We make 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We made 11 double crochet with first chains. We have 12. I show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 stitches in total. Insert your hook in top of first chains. Take 2 yarns on your hook, pull through a slip stitch. Continue. Make 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, go to first stitch. Insert your hook, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make half of 1 double crochet. Hold this yarn on your hook, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together. Yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together. We made 1, 2, 3, repeat. Pull through 2 yarns, 4, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, go to next stitch. Insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through two yarns together, hold this yarn, repeat 2, 5. I show we have 5 times of this stitch in here, 5 times in this stitch. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through all of them and close it. Make 1 2 3 chains. Go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet, add 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch in here, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, 1 2 3 4 5. Go to next stitch, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, one more, 5 times, pull through all of them, close it, 1 2 3 chains, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3, go to same stitch and repeat. Go to next stitch, pull through all of them, close it and repeat. I show in last stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to same stitch, pull through 2 yarns, 1 2 3 4 5, go to next last stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through all of them, make a chain, 1, 2, 3 chains, go to next stitch, make a single crochet, hide tail of yarn under a stitch like this, pull up yarn, fix this yarn, you can use this flower for make keychains and more, and use in many projects.